Hey guys, welcome to Tim's Kitchen. Today we're going to look at quickly doing scrambled eggs. Everyone thinks it's right now faff, but actually it's not. It's really quick and easy and can all be done in the pan. So in this I have 2 eggs, salt, pepper, whisked together with a bit of butter. In the pan at the moment in time I have some butter just ready to tip the eggs in. But you don't want a pan too hot, so once you've got the temperature, turn it right down, take it off and then put in your eggs. That pan is now hot enough to start cooking it itself. So all we need to do now is quickly keep stirring, and that egg will scramble on its own with minimum amount of heat at all now. So I've now turned that heat off, turned it onto a cold hob, and now this scrambled egg will pretty much cook itself. So it's colouring nicely. And there we go, scrambled egg is nearly done. The hot pan itself actually cooks the egg, so you don't need to worry about how hot everything is. If you now decide that it's not quite thick enough for you, you can turn the heat back on again on the other ring and give it a split second, and it will finalise the egg for you and cook it off to the level of thickness that you like as a scrambled egg. There we go, scrambled egg done in 2 minutes.